Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 12 algebraic expressions exercise 12.3. Here values finding question, variables value are giving that values we substitute and substitute in the expression and find out the values. Such type of questions are given there. First Roman they says that they given as a if m value is 2, m value given as a 2, find the value of first question m minus 2 in this way. First question, so how to do means in this expression m place 2 substitute, so m place 2 substitute, 2 minus 2 become how much? 0 is the answer. Another b question 5m by 2 minus 4, another big question. In this second question also, where m place which value substituted? 2 substitute. So 5m means 5 into m is 2 divided by denominator 2 minus 4, 2 cancel. So 5 minus 4 become how much? 1 is the answer. This is the question, such a type of question. So one more question, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Here see, here first term also containing m, second term also having m term is there. So how to find out? 3m square means 3 into m value square. M value is how much? 2. And power is how much in first term? M power becomes 2. That's why m power place m value place a power 2 substitute. Minus 2 into 2m is 2 into m value is how much? 2. But power is 1 only. So 1 time 2, right? In minus 7. Calculation. 3 into 2 square means how to expand it? 2 is multiply how many times? 2 times, right? And multiply. Cube asking 2 cube asking 3 times, right? 2 raised to 4 power become 4 means 2 is multiply 4 times. Here 2 power 2 is that, that's why 2 times, right? And multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4, 7. Again calculate, this is the first term, second and third. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 minus 4 minus 7. First term, 12 is the negative numbers, same sign means add and put a minus sign. So adding times 4 plus 7 comes to be 11, but minus is the, that's why same sign is the, that's why same sign mark it on the negative place also, answer place. 12 minus 11 become how much? 1 is the answer. In this way, first Roman we want to solve. Then next, same model, second Roman case. In that second Roman, they says about if p value is given in the expression full, they mark it as a p value minus 2. Find the value of first question they given as here minus 2p raised to 3 minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. One question they given. In this expression, how many terms are there? 4 terms. What are they? Minus 2p cube, minus 3p square, 4p and 7. 4 terms are there. 7 is a constant. Remaining 3 terms have a variable p is there. So what we want to do? where p place which value substitute? Minus 2. So minus 2p cube means minus 2 into p value. P value is minus 2. Then cube is the, so power is 3. That power mark. Minus second term case 3 into p square. P square means p value is minus 2. Square power become 2. That one, right. Plus 4 into p value. P value is how much? Minus 2 plus last term, fourth term become a plus 7. Again calculation. First term case we can expand minus 2 the whole cube means minus 2 how many times? Right hand multiply 3 times, right hand multiply. Minus second term case 3 into minus 2 the whole cube means minus 2 how many times? Right hand multiply 2 times expand and write. Plus 4 into minus 2 become how much? Minus 8 plus last term becomes 7. Next step and calculation. First term 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. How many times in first term negative sign repeated? 4 times. 4 is odd or a even number, that's why we get answer as a plus 16. Then this is a second term, numbers multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are how much? 12. How many times here minus sign repeated? The 2 times, that's why a plus 12, but here one minus is there, so minus 12. Then plus of minus change to minus 8 plus last term becomes 7. Again calculation. First these two are subtract and these two are also sub. First these two calculation, these two calculation. 60 minus 12 become how much? 4. Again these two are calculate. One is negative, other is positive. What we want to do? Opposite side means subtract. So 8 minus 7 comes to be 1. Which number is bigger? 8 is bigger. Sign of 8 is a negative. That's why minus 1. So answer become how much? 4 minus 1 comes to be 3 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Then one more question. B question. Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. This is our another question. Here also same process. First term, second term, third term. Third term is a constant term. First term and second term containing p value. So that p plays a p, which value substitute a minus 2. But power is how much? 2. Power of p is 2 in first term. In second term case, 4 into p value only. Power is 1 only, so minus 2 enough. Last third term become plus. Again, next step expansion. Minus 3 minus 2 the whole square. Power is 2, meaning what is that meaning? Minus 2 is how many times right term multiply? 2 times. So power is 3 means 3 times. Power 4 means 4 times, right? Yeah, 2 only. Then here calculate 4 into minus 2 become how much? Minus 8 to plus third term become plus 7. Again first term call 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are how much? 12. Here how many times negative symbol repeated? 3 times. 3 times means odd or even odd number case we get a negative answer. Then plus of minus change to minus 8. Last term become plus 7. First two terms, looking at both of them have sign a same only negative sign. That's why first we add 12 plus 8 comes to be 20 and same sign keep there. Plus last term becomes 7. Again one is a negative integer, other is a positive integer. So what we want to do? Subtract 20 minus 7 comes to be how much? 13. Which is bigger? Number only check it. 20 is bigger. Then after number checking a sign check. Sign is a minus, that's where answer become minus 13 is the answer. I hope this you can understand this second Roman. Then next third Roman case. In third Roman they says that find the value of same process. Here x term is there. In that x place a minus 1 substitute and value find. One question is x square plus 2x plus 1. Find out the value of this expression. That means where how many terms are there? First term, second term, third term. How to identify the terms? They are separated with a plus sign or a minus. Here throughout they are separated with a plus sign. So how many terms are there? 3 terms are. Where x place a minus 1. Here first term having x, so x place minus 1. But power is how much? 2. That power don't forget to keep. Plus 2 into x means 2 into x. 2x means 2 into x value how much? Instead of x place minus 1. Third term is a constant term, 1 only, that constant term repeat. Again minus 1 the whole square means how many times multiply? 2 times, right hand multiply plus 2 into minus 1 comes to be how much? Minus 2. Last term become plus 1. Again minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1, 1 only. Here how many times negative signs repeated? 2 times. 2 is odd or a even number, even case. Even case plus 1 is the answer. Here plus or minus change it to minus 2 and last number become plus 1. Again these two terms calculation, 1 minus 2, 1 is a positive, 2 is a negative. What we want to do? Opposite sign means subtract. So 2 minus 1 become a 1. Which number is bigger? 2 or 1 is bigger? 2 is bigger. Sign of 2 is minus. The last term, third term become plus 1. See, 1 minus 1 comes to be how much? 0 is the answer. In this way, third Roman 2-3 questions are there. That also we want to doing like that. Next, fourth Roman case. Fourth Roman case, A value given as 2, B value given as minus 2. Find the value. Find the value. They are also same process only. Question is A square plus AB plus B square is given. One expression they given like that. That means where A place 2 substitute. Where B place a minus 2 substitute. They are given a variable. So instead of that variable, numerical values are substitute. Here A is there, A place 2. But power is how much? 2 is the power. That's why 2 raised to 2. Plus A value into B value. A value is 2, B value is how much? Minus 2. Plus B value square means B value is minus 2, but the whole power is 2. Then 2 the whole square means 2 is multiply how many times? 2 times right time multiply. Then 2 2s are how much? 2 into minus 2 become minus 4. Plus this part how to separate? To minus 2 is 2 times split and right. Again calculate 2 2s are how much? 4. Plus of minus change to minus 4. Then here plus minus 2 into minus 2, 2 2s are how much? 4. Here negative sign how many times? In third term repeated 2 times. 2 is odd or a even number? Even number. That's why plus 4 is the answer. Here 4 minus 4 become a 0. Leave the remaining which number only? 4 is the answer. I hope you can understand this fourth Roman. Like this 1 or 2 questions are there. The next fifth Roman case. In fifth Roman case, A value keep 0, B value substitute as minus 1. Expression they given as 2A square plus B square plus 1. A place 0 substitute, B place minus 1. Same process. How many terms here? 3 terms are the first term is 2A square, second term is B square, third term is 1. 2A square, 2 into A value square. A value is how much? 0. Power is how much? Square. Plus B value is how minus 1. Power is how much? 2. Plus third term become 1. Any number multiply with 0. What is the answer? Always it become a 0 only. Minus 1 the whole square means what is the meaning? Minus 1 how many times right term multiply? 2 times plus last. 1 into 1 become 1. How in second how many times? Minus I repeated 2. 2 times means odd or even number? Even. That's why plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 comes to be how much? 2 is the answer. One more question. One more question is B question 2A square B plus 2AB square plus AB. Here also A place A value, B place B. Here 2 into A value is how much? 0, but power is 2 is there. B value is how much? Minus 1. Plus again second term is 2 into A value is how much? 0. B value is how much? Minus 1. Plus A value into B value. B value is minus 1. In this way values we are substitute. Value substitute after here first term, second term, third term. First term 0 is there. We know any number multiplied with 0, 100 or lakhs or 10 lakh or crore or any number multiplied with 0, answer become always how much? 0. Here also second term also having 0 is there. So that second term also become 0. Third term also having 0 into minus 1 become how much? 0. So final answer become how much? 0 is the answer. This is the fifth Roman case. Next sixth Roman case. In sixth Roman they says that simplify the find the value of find the value of x find the value if x is equal to, in a spelling they given equal to 2, x value is equal to 2. Sentence it given, we want to write as in symbolic way. So first question, A question they given as x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Then instead of actually meaning is in which way? X value because is equal means x is equal to 2. That means where our x place which value substitute? 2 substitute. In the first question, how many terms are there? 1 and 2. Third term is this much. First term x is there, x place which value? 2. plus second term is 7 plus third term is 4. Inside bracket x is there, x place 2 minus 5 and close the bracket. Again 2 plus 7 comes to be how much? 9 plus 4 bracket before which operation? Multiplication operation. 2 minus 5 because how much? One is positive, other is negative. What we want to do? Subtract and put big numbers. 5 minus 2 because how much? 3. Which is bigger number? 5 or 2 is bigger? 5 is bigger. Sign of 5 is minus. That's why keep a minus. Again, this is first term, this much is this. Why? Because first term is complete after they separated with 2 plus, and that's why this is first term, this is a second. Not multiplication, they terms are identified. How to identify? They are separated with a plus or a minus. So 9 plus 4 into minus 3 because how much? Minus 12. Again 9 plus or minus comes to be how much? Minus 9 minus 12 because how much? Or 12 minus 9 because how much? 3. Which 3? Which number is greater? 9 or 12 is greater? 12. Then after that sign checking, sign looking down, sign is minus, that's where answer become minus 3 is the answer. Again the same model, another one more question, B question. Same model. Here question is given that x 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. The same one as x value is how much? 2. That means where x place 2 substitute 6x. Here also how many terms? First term they are separated with plus. Then this is second term. 6x means 6 into x value. X value is how much? 2. Plus 5 into x place x value how much? 2 minus 2. X place 2 substitute minus 2. Again 6 2s are how much? 12 plus bracket before we read as into operation multiple. 2 minus 2 become how much? 0. We learned that any number multiply with 0. What is the answer? 0 is the answer. So 12 plus 0. 12 plus 0 become how much? 12 is the answer. I hope you can understand this type as 6th Roman question. Next we go through 7th Roman. In 7th Roman they says that simplify and the expression, find the value of if x value given as 3m, a value given as minus 1, b value given as minus 2. First question they given as in this way 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. In this way they given. That means where a place which value substitute a minus 1. In this expression only variable is a variable only there. X and b variable not there. So that's why a place a value minus 1 substitute. Here how many terms are there? 4 terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth. How we identify? They are separated with plus minus. Here also separated with plus. So 3a means 3 into a value. A value is how much? Minus 1 plus 5 minus 8a means 8 into a value is how much? Minus 1 plus last term become 1. 3 into minus 1 become how much? Minus 3 plus 5 minus into this much is our third term. Minus 8 into minus 1 or 8 into minus 1 comes to be 8 into 1 8 minus into minus change into plus 8 last term become plus 1. Then calculation. This 2 last 2. 5 minus 3. Bigger number minus smaller number. Subtraction do intend to which is bigger number 5. So plus 2. Plus 8 plus 1 comes to be 9. 2 plus 9 comes to be how much? Adding 10. 11 is the answer. Same way that such type of questions are there. One more question. B question. 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. In this way, fifth B question they given. But in this expression which alpha variable only given there, b variable, a variable and x variable not there. So instead of that b place a b value minus 2 substitute. So 10 minus here how many terms? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. See they are separated with minus 10 after minus 3b after minus 4 after minus. They are separated with a minus. So 3b means 3 into b value. B value is how much? Minus 2. Minus 4 is the third term. Minus fourth term is 5b, means 5 into b value is how much? Minus 2. Then 10, these two terms, second term multiply, 3 minus 3 into minus 2 become how much? Plus 6 minus into minus 2 times minus sign repeated, that's why 2 is even number, so plus 6. Here minus 4 only. This last term, minus 5 into minus 2, minus change into plus, 5 2s are how much? 10. Again, first this 2, last 2. 10 plus 6 comes to be how much? 16. Minus 4 plus 10, one is a negative integer, other is a positive integer. What we can do, subtract and put a big number. 10 minus 4 becomes 6, with positive or negative? Positive. Why? Because 10 is bigger number, sign of 10 is positive. Then add it. Adding 10, how much will come in? 22 is the answer. In this way, that question also find out. Next we go through 8th Roman. In the 8th Roman case, they given us here 8th Roman case, z value is given 10. Find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. In this way expression they given. Z place z value, how much we want to substitute? 10. So this expression taken. Here how many terms are there? First term, and this is our second term. First term z term variable is there. Instead of that place a variable place which value 10, but power is how much? Power of z is 3. That's why in z value place also power mark it as 3. Minus 3 into, again inside bracket z is there. Z place which value? 10 minus 10, close the bracket. Again 10 the whole cube means what is the meaning? How many times 10 split and write? 3 times separate and write. Power is 3, that's why 2 means 2 times, 4 means 4 times. Minus 3 bracket before we read an operation as a multiply. 10 minus 10 become how much? 0. Any number multiply with a 0, what is the answer? 0. So 10 into 10 into 10, don't want to side to multiply, easy way put 1 and total how many zeros are there in the question? 3 zeros. The zeros just you substitute. So what is the answer? 1000 is the answer. This is our 8th Roman case. Next we go through 9th Roman. In 9th Roman they says that what should be the value what should be the value of a value find out. If the value is given as 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5, when x value become 0. In this way they given what should be the value of a variable value find out. A variable in the given expression, here where expression a, here in this expression a variable there, that a value find out. In which way? This expression is equal to, sentence wise they given equal to 5. So how we can write symbolically expression 2x square plus x minus a equal to, so we can put a symbol equal to which number? 5. Then using this expression this a value find out. But instead of x place that another alphabet also there in expression. Which alphabet? X also including that in that x place which value substitute zeros. So we can write 2 into 2x square means 2 into x square. X value is how much? 0 square plus x plus 0 minus a equal 5. So this full term were 0, leave it. So we get answer as minus a is equal to 5. We want which answer? Plus a, not minus a, but we got which answer? Minus a as 5. How to remove this minus sign? Multiply left side and right side by a minus sign. So left and right side were multiplied. Left side is minus a is there, that one I multiplied with minus a. Minus a is multiplied with minus sign. Equal, right side plus 5 is there, that also multiply with the minus sign. So minus into minus change to plus a. We know how many times minus sign repeated? 2 times. 2 means odd or even. Even means that minus changed to plus. Here plus into 5 is positive. Plus into 1 comes to minus comes to be how much? Minus 5. So a value become how much we got? Minus 5 was the answer. So or otherwise minus sign or a minus 1 you can use. Any word you can. Minus a is multiplied with minus 1. Plus 5 is multiplied with minus 1. Anyway, you can use that information. So, what we can say anyhow, a into 1 become a. Minus into minus change it to plus a. Then 5 into minus 1 become how much? 5. Here how many times minus repeated? 1 time. 1 is odd or even odd number. That is why a value become a minus 5. Anyway, you can think and solve that sum. So, these are the questions related to this exercise 12.3. Remaining exercise we can discuss on next class. Thank you.